Okay. Now coming on to your total cost, that what is the behavior of total cost in the short run? Remember the schedule. Okay. When the output was 0, okay, when the output was 0, my total fixed cost was 120 in that schedule. That means at 0 level of output something was incurred on total fixed cost, because we cannot throw away our fixed factors in the short run, and my total variable cost was 0, because when output is 0, then the producer would not employ any of the variable factors and your total variable cost will remain 0. But what was total cost at 0 level of output? Total cost, I have already told you that total cost is nothing but the summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. So what will be total cost here? 120 plus 0, that is 120. That means at 0 level of output, your TFC will be equals to your total cost. So at 0 level of output, your TFC will be equals to total cost. Why? Because TVC is 0. Since TC is the summation of TFC and TVC is 0 at the 0 level of output and TFC is some positive number, thus your TC and TFC are equal at the 0 level of output. This is the proper answer to this question. Okay, so what we have concluded, that at the 0 level of output, this is the 0 level of output, this y-axis is showing, this vertical y-axis is showing the 0 level of output, and what we have concluded, that at 0 level of output my TC and TFC are equal. That means my TC will start from this point only, from 120 only, because my TFC is 120 at 0 level of output and my TC will also be 120 at 0 level of output. Thus my total cost curve will start from this point and its shape would be same like the shape of TVC. It will first increase at decreasing rate, then it will start increasing at the increasing rate. Alright, let us take this point as point A, where your TC and TFC both are equal. So this is the behavior of total cost. At the 0 level of output, it is equal to TFC. Why? Because TVC is 0 at 0 level of output. And it increases at decreasing rate first and it starts increasing at increasing rate thereafter at the higher level of output. So what questions we have discussed since yesterday? We have discussed why TFC is 0 at 0 level of output. Sorry, why TFC is positive at 0 level of output. Second, why TFC is constant in the short run. Third question, why TVC is 0 at the 0 level of output. Fourth question, why TC is equals to TFC at the 0 level of output. All these 4 questions have been answered. Now coming to the 5th question, that why the slope of TVC and TC seems to equal. Why TC and TVC lies parallel to each other. You can see with the help of this diagram that the shape of TVC and TC are same. जहां जहां TVC जा रहा है वहां वहां TC जा रहा है. कहने का मतलब ये है, जो भी चेंज TVC में है वो चेंज TC में है. That means both TVC and TC are parallel to each other. Or why the shape of both TC and TVC are same. Your shape of TC is also inverted S shape. It is also inverted S shape. Alright. So the question now we have to discuss, that why the shape of TC and TVC are equal, or why TC and TVC lies parallel to each other. They move parallel to each other.